How to fix the privacy warning on your iPhone. So if you're connected to the Wi-Fi and it says privacy warning, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go in and fix this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is load up the settings on your phone, click on Wi-Fi and press the information button next to your connection. Now scroll down to private Wi-Fi address and click on this and make sure this is set to rotating. If it doesn't work using rotating, you can also try changing this to fixed as well. Now, if you're still seeing the privacy warning message, then click on the information button again, select forget this network and press forget. Once the network's been forgotten, you can try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi and you can check to see if the privacy warning is now gone. If it's still not working, head back over to your main settings page, scroll down and click on General and select Software Update. Now just make sure you're running the latest version of iOS, as this also contains security and privacy improvements. Now come back over to the previous window, scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and press Reset Network Settings. You'll then need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. Once everything's been reset, head back over to Wi-Fi and try reconnecting to your network. Once you're reconnected, the privacy warning should now be removed.